When investing in a strut channel production line, the most critical decision is speed. Today, Beli Rollforming breaks down the 3 tiers of production: slow, medium, and high speed, so you can choose the best ROI for your facility. We begin with our slow speed line, operating at 2 to 4 meters per minute. This is our most accessible and simple configuration. It is built on a steel plate welded stand and utilizes a reliable chain transmission. To keep costs low, this machine uses a stop-to-punch and stop-to-cut system. This means the line pauses for every hole and every cut. It is an ideal entry-level solution for startups or projects with lower volume requirements where simplicity is the priority. Next is our medium speed line, the industry standard for professional manufacturing. Running at 12 to 15 meters per minute, this machine offers a significant jump in productivity. The build quality is upgraded to heavy-duty cast iron stands and a gearbox transmission for smoother, more precise power delivery. The biggest difference here is the post-flying punch and cutting system. The machine doesn't need to stop. The tools fly with the profile to punch and cut on the move. Controlled by an advanced PLC system, this is the perfect balance of price and performance. Finally, for mass-scale production, we have the high-speed powerhouse. Operating at a blistering 24 to 30 meters per minute, this line is a masterpiece of automation. The servo feeder rapidly indexing the strip into a massive punch press. Show the holes being punched in a blur of motion. Narrator: next, efficiency meets precision. Our servo feeder works in tandem with a high-speed punch press. By punching all holes before the roll forming process, we eliminate the bottlenecks found in traditional lines. This allows for complex hole patterns at high velocity without sacrificing accuracy. The core of the system is the high-speed roll-forming mill. These aren't standard stands, these are high-quality adjustable stands designed for rapid size changes across your strut channel catalog, driven by a heavy-duty gearbox transmission. This machine packs enough torque to form up to 2.75mm stainless steel with ease. We've included an integrated lubrication system to reduce heat and wear, and a multi-axis straightener to ensure every profile comes out perfectly true. We finish with speed. Our flying saw tracks the moving profile, delivering a clean, burr-free cut without slowing the line. Finally, the auto stacker neatly organizes the finished channels, making them ready for packaging immediately. From uncoiling to stacking, the Beli high-speed line is the ultimate solution for 24/7 industrial strut production. From simple startups to fully automated factories, Beli Rollforming has the technology to grow with you. Which speed fits your production goals? Contact our engineering team today at the link below, and let's build your production line together.